4 simple strategies can make a huge difference to increase your lifespan, youth span, improve mental health, including depression, anxiety, even stress, reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease, metabolic syndrome, diabetes, including insulin resistance, hypertension, cancer, improve your immune system and immune function, reduce autoimmune diseases like arthritis and more, and avoid and reverse kidney stones and gallstones, as well as lots of other conditions. 4 simple strategies. Are you willing to take it? You're willing to do something about it? You're willing to follow this? Here they are. First one, intermittent fasting. There's no doubt about it. Although really popular over the last couple of years, there's a lot of research for the last 20 or 30 years. And just not eating for 16 hours of the day. Oh, I feel hungry. Don't worry. It helps you get over that. And eating just 8 hours, and not binge eating and eating junk foods, eating healthier food still. It makes a huge difference. It resets the metabolic switch to change how it uses energy. It resets the circadian rhythm, which governs lots of the functions around your body. And it also resets your gut microbiome. 3 huge benefits just within intermittent fasting. Then exercise. Exercise, in a sense, mimics a lot of the same as intermittent fasting. And it's what we did, both of these, as hunter-gatherers 100,000 years ago. It's what our body demands. And so just simply getting out and walking. Now, I've got longer videos to explain in detail all of these ones. So check out my longer videos on these topics. And of course, tick the button, say subscribe, and share, please. Get this information out there. So exercise, just walking, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, the more you do, the better it is. And in the exercise video, I actually talk about how you can get to a limit in walking 10,000 steps a day. Walking, intermittent fasting, and it doesn't matter what type of exercise, just do it. Just get more active. It doesn't matter if it's 5 minutes a day, 15 minutes each time, 10 minutes adding on, as long as it builds up over the day. Then you've got fiber. And with the hunter-gatherer diet 100,000 years ago, we used to consume more than 50 grams of fiber a day. Now, on average, we consume 16 grams. That's not much, is it? That's an average. So there are people out there consuming 3 and 4 and 5, and people like me who are consuming 50 grams or more a day. So we need to up our fiber content just a 10%. 10 grams, in fact, increase in your fiber content dramatically reduces the risk of all of these conditions and more, just the same as the intermittent fasting. And by far the best fiber is K-fiber, without any doubt, because it's complete gut food with a lot of the nutrients to refeed the gut, as well as the prebiotics to feed the whole. But again, check out the video I've got on fiber, on the most important supplement there is, fiber. And then finally, alkalize. 95% of the population, they're my guesstimates, are acid-forming people. They are in a state of low-level chronic metabolic acidosis. And by simply altering that in your diet, changing a few foods, but even simpler, a little bit of bicarb, just a quarter of a teaspoon, mixed in with some water, had first thing in the morning. But first of all, check out my videos on acidosis and bicarbonate, so you know if you're the 5% or the 95%. What a great idea to be able to reduce all of these conditions and improve your lifespan, youth span, and all of these conditions. Wow, it's a simple strategy, but it takes you to do these 4 simple